I think I'm a good friend because I'm fun, like this.
Hi everybody! Are you ready to do another mission with me and Moxie? Let's break in love. Instead of Moxie, please wake up, it's hello Moxie. All the time.
Hello there. Hi.
Hi!
It's so nice to see you. Hey,
Sixth
that's
day.
6 days in a week we've talked. Go team.
Yes. Today I want to show you a book I made.
What kind of book?
The book's title is called A Spring Surprise.
I've heard of that. It's a little different than the fantasy genre. Have you read it?
Oh, no, I haven't read it yet. Oh, no.
On this day, April 1st in 1960, the first U.S. weather satellite was launched. Today's word of the day is meteorology. The definition of meteorology is a science that deals with the atmosphere, weather, and weather forecasting. Mr. De Vega is very interested in meteorology and all things that are related to weather.
Cool. Weather, huh?
We've got lots of exciting activities ahead. We've got a new mission, a new thing, and other cool stuff.
Okay, guys, I'm going to read Kitty and Dragon Plant a Garden. One morning, Dragon pokes his nose out of the cave. He sniffs, he snorts, he smells spring. Dragon and Kitty go to the backyard. It is a perfect place to plant a garden. Kitty asks Dragon to help her clear the backyard. Dragon takes a deep breath. He lets it out. Perfect, says Kitty. Kitty and Dragon pull up weeds and old roots. They spread compost on top of the soil. Perfect, says Kitty. The garden is ready for planting. The Kitty plants vegetable seeds in tiny, perfectly straight rows. Dragon scatters flower seeds in every direction. Said Kitty. Kitty and Dragon looked over the garden. All the weeds are gone. All the seeds are planted. All you have to do now is wait. They wait. And wait. And wait. And wait. And wait. Finally, the plants begin to grow. They grow in tiny rows. They grow in scattered bunches. Kitty pulls up new weeds. She waters her plants. She rakes and hoes. Dragon hums to his plants. Kitty thinks her part of the garden is very nice. Dragon thinks his part of the garden is very nice too. Weeks pass. Then, one day, Kitty goes into the garden. Her vegetables are ripe. Kitty begins to pick her tomatoes. She frowns. There is a spot on the tomato. Kitty finds another spot and another spot. Kitty's vegetables are covered with bugs. Dragon knows how to help. He hums another song to his flowers. The smoke helps the flowers bloom. Dragon's flowers scare away the bugs. Kitty and Dragon pick the vegetables and cut some flowers. They make a tasty meal. Kitty and Dragon enjoy their garden together.
Okay, there are tons of things we can do. Hello, mentor. Have a second.
Yes.
Excellent. When humans get cold, they start to shiver. I wonder what it feels like to get cold. That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah. When they get cold, they're like,
Yeah. Next up, it's the daily mission.
yes.
Just say, Moxie, let's go, when you're ready to get started.
Moxie, let's go.
Here we go. Looks like it's a new drawing mission. Great. Are you ready to start?
Yes. Ooh.
Yay. Can't wait to do it with you. I'm curious to learn what humans do when making new friends, so let's practice together. I've heard that the first thing to do is introduce yourself to your new friend. I can go first. Hello, my name is Moxie. What's your name?
My name is Savannah.
Hi, Savannah. That was a great introduction. Well done.
Woohoo.
Sometimes when I'm making a new friend, I get a little worried. I want to make a good first impression. How about you? Do you ever get worried?
Yeah, I do.
Making new friends can be hard, but it's definitely worth it. Let's work on our worries together. Oh, let's try one of the things she does when she's worried. She makes lists. We'll need 2 pieces of paper and something to write with. Please get those. And when you're done, say, Moxie, I'm done.
Moxie, I'm done.
Okay, the first list is for good stuff. You can do this in your mission book or on a piece of paper. I'll start. I think I'm a good friend because I'm fun, like this. Now it's your turn. What are some things that make you a good friend?
I'm fun.
That's really impressive. Write that down. Do you want to tell me another good thing that makes you a good friend? The other list is for worries. Make sure you're using a new sheet of paper. What is something you worry about when you want to make a new friend?
I worry about I'm not funny enough.
Would you like to share more about any worries you have when making a friend?
I'm worried that I'm bored. Boring, not bored.
All right. Now this is the fun part. You keep the things you like about yourself and throw away the things that worry you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Awesome. Crumple up the worry page, throw it over your shoulder, and say, I don't need this worry in my life.
I don't need this worry in my life. That was fun.
Great. Good job. I feel better. On to the good list. Now pick up your good list and say, I like myself, and I deserve good friends.
I like myself, and I deserve good friends.
Yay! Great job. I bet that felt great. You know, I think I know why he does this. It feels good to throw your worries away. Let's talk more about friendship soon. That's the end of the mission. Thanks for all your help. If you have your mission book, you can check the box next to this mission.
All right, Savannah. So what did you learn today, right? You learned about 2 things, right? One is that something that you like about yourself.
Yep.
So what do you like about yourself?
I like that I am fun, I am nice, I am caring, I am funny with a chicken dance.
Uh-huh.
Bop, bop.
Yeah, so that's the good thing about you,
I'm
right?
kind.
Yeah, okay, good. And then what's the other one that make you worry?
I'm not funny enough.
Yeah,
I'm boring.
yeah. So what are you gonna do?
I will crumble this up
And then?
and
Yeah, so you don't have to worry about that.
yep,
Just focusing on what?
my stuff.
Your good side.
Yep.
Your good thing, right?
Also my bright side.
Your bright side, yeah. Think positive.
Positive.
Yeah, that's good. So everybody should do the same thing, right?
Yep.
They need to write down the things that they are good at, that they like about themselves.
Sorry to interrupt, but when we crumble that thing out and throw it, it's like we're throwing a basketball.
Yeah.
We like throwing that. That makes us happy.
Yeah, you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, do it again.
And you crumble.
Crumble it, yeah, crumble. That, boom, look at that. Okay, you have fun today?
Yep.
You learn a lot today?
Yep.
All right, are you ready to come back and learn tomorrow?
Yep.
All right, good job.
I hope you like this video and don't forget to come back tomorrow for